Don't you just love it when lights flicker? One day you'll be able to touch the resolution frames per second and change it from 30 to 25. And that's when the light stopped flickering. When I changed it down one setting, I'm going to go back to my 30 frames per second. Hey, I'm Fish. How's everyone doing today? Oh, I'm doing a repeat, not a deja vu. What is it called? Three times the charm? Yeah, I gotta return the wood I bought that I didn't use. And I gotta get molding. I forgot to bring the molding with me so I know which molding to get. Not that hard to remember. I hear you don't know how to shut down hibernation. The hibernation of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro was supposed to shut off up to 8 hours. Actually, it's up to 4 hours. Actually, it's not really any of those. It's just whenever DJI wants to shut down. You want to shut it off entirely? Long press. How long? A good 10, 12 seconds. Why doesn't DJI allow us to do this manually? Well, that is the manual way. Well, like anything in life, there are reset buttons. You just got to know which ones to press and how to do it. Well, how do you like the sound right now? My mic is down maybe a couple inches lower, and I'm going to go get myself some twine to make myself an adjustable necklace. I want black twine, but they don't make black twine. I'll figure it out. I'll decide what color to get. Did you know buses got cameras on there? And if you're double parked today, you'll get a ticket from 2 buses. The first one starts the observation, and the second one right after finishes it. And it takes about 5 minutes, and you got a ticket just like that for double parking. So we got a shot of the lights up ahead. We're getting ready to get on the parkway. Getting on is very tight. It is a very short entrance ramp, but we'll get where we need to get going in a number of minutes. Very quiet on the road. Man, it must be flying. I do need to get off my exit, and we got a problem right here. An accident indeed. Just stop right on the road. Very tight turn to make. That's why you take it slow. The sun's about coming up. The gates are down. So over there. I'm waiting for the person to go in, and it's past opening time. I might as well go home. I'm 2 hours early. We'll take the long way home. Oh man, we got Target coming in. We'll head towards the bay, see what it looks like. Nice and cool. Sun's rising. We'll take a walk. Kill some time. I'm on the new pier that they built, redone. Oh man, all the nails are all over the place, but they did a nice job. The sun is rising, the yacht's lit up, it's got blue. and you got a helicopter flying by, and you can hear it. Take it off of the actual microphone. Well, that's it for me for today. I'm gonna go back away. I got stuff to do, things to take care of, and get on out during the day for the return. Beat the traffic. I did not this time. Man, it's supposed to warm up. Man, it's cold. Let's get on going. Well, no bike rides today. No walking today. I'm riding today. And on that note, you know who I am. I'm Fish.